challenging was it for you? You were expecting during the
Oh
shoot.
my God. Yes, that also happened. So I wasn't expecting.
Okay.
Then I was expecting. Then I was like, guys, my cutoff date is this
हाँ
because then what are you going to do?
हाँ
मतलब I don't know कि कब दिखेगा कब नहीं दिखेगा
साड़ियों
कितना
का
छुपा
फायदा हो
साड़ियों
गया.
भी पहनी ये वो और जितना मैं कहूँ कि ये मेरा कट ऑफ डेट है उतना ही उसके बाद शूट होती गई because there were so many actors involved like they couldn't manage everyone's
Yeah.
dates and then you have me Sajal and Humayun and just the three of us could never get together till I was 7 months pregnant.
Oh, you were 7 months on set
You
as
can
well.
see it sometime.
No, like, you can't actually.
7 months
Kudos
pregnant.
to you. You can't, huh?
Yeah, 7. And I was like, यार नदीम मेरे 7 साल बाद my opening shots are going to be me pregnant. क्या उन्होंने सोचा था साड़ी पहनती हुई मिस मारिया सीढ़ियों के ऊपर
हाँ.
भागती भी आएगी ये वो कुछ नहीं हुआ but कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ा
नहीं.
because that it was side से उन्होंने लिया थोड़ा close लिया sarees and water bottles and files hid
Totally
it.
hid the, yeah.
My face didn't change too much, so it was
हाँ.
okay.
हाँ.
मेरे कपड़े adjust होते गए. My makeup artist luckily is a jack of all trades, तो सुई धागा हमेशा तैयार था. कभी लूज कराना होता था, फिर कभी फिटिंग दोबारा करानी होती थी. So throughout my clothes have changed. But yeah, I was 7 months pregnant for most of my shoot.
Wow.
7.5 months pregnant. I was alone in Lahore for 3 weeks. I was like, अच्छा ऐसा भी होता है करो चलो let's do it.
But alhamdulillah, you had a smooth pregnancy.
Yes.
So, you
Maybe
know,
that's why
you
I've
were
always
healthy.
heard कि आप जितना
Yeah.
active रहोगे
हाँ
उतना
हाँ absolutely absolutely. वो आप healthy हो तो active रह सकते हैं तो
हाँ.
I guess it worked out. I
Yeah.
guess it worked out. नहीं,
So
but going back to my question that I was asking you, अब बहुत सी लोग अब ये बात कर रहे हैं कि जी पहले जैसे ड्रामे अब नहीं बन रहे
हाँ.
और बहुत से बी या सी ग्रेड ड्रामे जो हैं उनको बहुत से व्यूज़ मिल जाते हैं तो वो एक बेंचमार्क बन जाता है कि अच्छा ये अच्छे ड्रामे हैं इनको ये व्यूज़ मिल रहे हैं ये पॉपुलर हैं ऐसे और ड्रामे बनाओ.
वो that's not because of that's globally जो change आया ना globally जितना superficial लोग हो गए social media की वजह से we're definitely not making those simple dramas that we did 12 years ago. Because times have changed. Your awam has changed, your audience has changed. They want that instant gratification, they want those punchlines, they want that, and that's why those numbers. I mean, audience कहेगी कि नहीं हमें वो simple कहानियाँ चाहिए. परवरिश was a simple कहानी,
simple,
and it worked. कभी मैं कभी तुम worked because it was simple.
Simple.
You know, they loved the fact कि शलवार और t-shirt में आ रही है, but that was everyone's done that before.
Yeah.
But it had been so long before they'd seen that something real again had come on screen and it like jumped out. कि हाँ तो audience है for that stuff. हाँ क्यों नहीं बन रहा क्योंकि writers have also hit a dead end. कितना उस तरह लिखे same writers.
Absolutely.
So, and the new writers don't have that same aesthetic and value system. Not value system, but that same aesthetic that the older writers had. So, but Parvarish was really, I really want to mention that I was really happy to see what Napa turned out to be.
Absolutely.
And the gems they gave us,
Such
from the
good
writer to the
performance,
director to the, you know, two really powerful actors.
Yeah.
Napa was quite amazing in doing that.
Yeah.
And it's so important to have institutions like that, that with teachers and gurus like that. I mean, you had all our legendary actors and writers and directors who were the ustads of these guys. So I hope we have something like that again because it makes a huge difference.
Huge difference. So Sanam, why did it take you 7 years to come back to television?
Why did it take me 7 years? Because the 2-3 scripts came my way. I didn't like them. One script came my way, but I had Shandur dates. Another script came my way, but I had Jo Bache Sang Samet Lo dates.
Coincidental.
So yeah, the film happened, COVID happened. उसमें 2 साल निकल गए तो इस तरह वक्त गुजर 4 साल इन सीरीज में गुजर गए थे इसलिए नॉट कि मैं अब टीवी पे काम नहीं करूंगी ऐसा कुछ नहीं था it just happened to be
just happened. So let's talk about Shandur. हो क्या रहा है अब post May? Things are tough between India and Pakistan.
Post May just changed the whole
world, right?
Everything.
For us, it changed a lot of things. और Shandur भी पाक हुआ है तैयार है project है ना it's completely ready. जो बचे हैं संग समेट लो is also ready and pretty much और ये दोनों we're waiting so
beats me. We have no idea.
Your work is done.
Well, I asked the team the other day कि अब जो ये जो फिल्म फवाद और उनकी वानी कपूर की जो
अबीर गुलाल
delay हो गई थी. Now they're releasing it, but not in India, but they'll release it here.
They are, yeah.
And Hanya's film, the fact that it was released here, that was amazing. I mean, what a star Diljit is.
Yeah.
That was brave. That was the right thing to do. That was a sensible thing to do, and almost honorable.
It was, yeah.
You know, so I think now that I think he gave everyone the confidence who that was in a similar situation like that.
नुकसान उठाया लेकिन.
नुकसान तो उठाया लेकिन उससे कम उठाया ना कि बिल्कुल ही ना आप रिलीज करें. War makes नुकसान तो होता है war में. So the fact that they went ahead with it, the producers went ahead with it. It changed something about the way we perceived. He basically made it look like art is, well, it wasn't him, it was the producers because they had high stakes, but it kind of gave people the confidence and the strength to be like, let's put that aside. The Pakistani actor hai to ban them forever, Indian actor to ban them forever. It's like, move on, आप लोग अपना करें, हम लोग let us still do what we've done because लोगों के पैसे लगे हैं, time लगा है.
So what's your take on that?
I think it was a great move that they released the film.
No, not that.
Oh.
India, Pakistan working together and these projects that are now waiting.
Well, it has changed the way we've all thought of things because I think, May made us rethink a lot of things the way we were initially gung-ho about it, not because we're hungry for that fame, just because we're hungry for art to collaborate and for artists to just work together.
Yeah.
Because we've seen those times. We always talk about this. It's like a Gisawa record. Kara Film Festival जब होता था, वो लोग आते थे, हमारी फिल्में जाती थी, opportunities. It's just great to see. क्योंकि ज़बान एक है, इसलिए वो देश हमारे साथ जुड़ा हुआ होता है. अगर ज़बान और होती या हमारे English फिल्में उस तरह चलती, then we'd be back and forth with other countries.
Yeah.
But we're limited to this country only right now because it's the same culture pretty much. So, but after May, maybe we're all taking a step back for now. Yeah. There's no need. Also because of the way we saw, not just the way we saw that entire country react to what was happening. We reacted very differently.
Yeah.
There was less hate or less we were much more tolerant and we saw the bigger picture. I think छोटी-छोटी चीज़ों पे हम लोग fixate नहीं हुए थे. And that left a really bad taste in our mouth.
It did.
Yeah.
We became masters of memes.
We did.
I think our meme game is so strong. It's proved.
That left a bad taste, so it's like, okay, see you later. Let's just focus on what we have. We've always focused here, but when a good opportunity comes for change, we've taken that opportunity just for change. It got us no extra money, got us no extra fame. It was just change. So now it's like, okay, अब जो कर लिया है वो अब इतनी मेहनत से जो बनाया है, उसको अब लोग देख लें तो
बनाना चाहिए ना, अपने आप को मजबूत करें और अपनी basis को मजबूत करें, all that.
Well, hopefully now we'll have that kind of financial support being injected into our projects.
Where from? The government?
I don't know. Maybe.
कहते तो हैं government वाले बातें तो बहुत करते हैं, committees बिठाते रहते हैं कि taxes
there are film funds that are now being released, so it's happening.
I hope so. I hope so. And I hope Shandur will find a platform to release on. I mean, I don't know.
Shandur is something that people would really enjoy.
Because, I mean, I don't know, but I had heard like it would be a kind of Zindagi Gulzar Part 2. I don't know, you and Fawad coming together?
वो नकचड़ी लड़की from a different background and a good-looking prince type आदमी from another world. Their worlds collide. So that's what Zindagi Gulzar was also.
Absolutely.
But it's more like my best friend's wedding. You know, it's just an easy, romantic
rom-com
comedy drama with beautiful sets and
this was how many
backdrops.
How many years after Zindagi Gulzar Hai did you shoot for